So my dough is oiled, my bowl is oiled. We need to cover it with something. You could use a kitchen towel. You could use plastic wrap, except we're going to put this in someplace warm, and I worry about the plastic wrap melting. So, and I'm not a big fan of plastic wrap. I prefer wax paper. I take a little piece of wax paper off. I don't have to worry about the wax paper melting. And I have a giant rubber band. And I like to secure, not as easy as it looks, to secure the wax paper. Yes, like I said, it's not as easy as it looks. There we go. To secure the wax paper over the bowl. This is to keep the dough warm and contained. So now I'm going to put this in a warm place. I prefer to put it on my stove that's already preheating for the pizza. If you have another warm place in the house that you want to let it rise, it needs to rise for about 40 minutes. So just put it somewhere warm that's not in a draft.